Greetings from Pennsylvania once again on a very blustery, windy day. We're gonna do another section of the Horseshoe Trail day. It's gonna be a busy one. So here's where we ended in the last video. This is the Horseshoe Church of the Nazarene, and our section ended right up there. You can see the yellow blazes on a telephone pole. We gotta go up 322 a little bit because we had to come up this road, this edge of the field, back down that way. Was that confusing section? But here's the map. I got it, all the magnets on it here. Yeah, last time we did this section up to here to Nazarene Church. Today we're gonna head along 322 a little bit. Looks like it gets off road just a little bit there. Well, we still parallels it, but then we head up through the fields. And then we're pulling my camera around up this way through some more fields into Palmdale, across 422 into what I think is the I forget what that place is called, Horseshoe golf course or something like that, and we'll see when we get there. But yeah, going through a busy section here between Horseshoe and Palmdale. But hopefully you'll still be able to hear me with all the wind. It's like 20-mile-an-hour winds today. Oh yeah, it's December 18th. Not the greatest day, but it's Christmas vacation. I gotta get out hiking and exploring. We'll be noisy on the highway here. Got some flooding the other night, last night, so who knows what'll happen. We'll see. Traffic, flooding, wind. Might be an interesting day. Let's get going. Yeah, so right here is where we ended in that last video. You can see the yellow blazes on a telephone pole. We gotta head to the left. Along busy 322. But I'll try to stay off the road here into the field here. Yeah, welcome to Horseshoe, the sweetest place on earth. Oh, I get a picture of that. Even down here you can see some of the flooding. Got a lot of rain last night. Once again, up there's the mountain that we're headed to. Not today. We gotta cross this valley. Eventually, next couple of hikes. Yeah, but up the way here, we'll be able to cross the highway and start going through a field. Yeah, so here's where the trail turns. Got the double blazes, a little bit different type right there. Angled. We gotta head up that farm lane right there. Not a lot of traffic yet, hold on. Horseshoe Trail. Time to get away from this traffic noise. But this wind is insane. Whose idea was it to come out here? Yeah, up that way is, you can see the towers, the two Horseshoe towers. Let's zoom in there. There they are. But into the wind, across these fields. Yeah, no more traffic noise out in these fields. Kind of barren and windy though. I kind of wonder what's over, like a little cluster of trees right there. Wonder if there's like an old cemetery in there or something. Anyway. This wind is relentless. It's like almost like 20-mile-an-hour winds. Well, not almost, it is. With gusts going over that. It's actually not that cold. It's about 50 degrees, but man, you feel like you're warming up, then that wind comes and just sucks it all away. Anyway. All right, let's keep going. The thing is, on the way back, I'll have the wind to my back. Right now, I'm walking right into the wind. All right, looks like our trail goes this way. Some signs about no dumping. Let me just. Oh, I see a yellow blaze up there actually, though, too. So I guess we maybe stay straight. Let me just double check the map. Yeah, so we do head straight here instead of going that direction. We'll curve up here and we'll hook up with what's called Vista Drive. Do a little bit of road walking again, just a little bit. Yeah, and sometimes the wind dies down nicely, but then it picks right back up again. Yeah, and here's Vista Drive. Trail's nicely marked there, double blaze. Head to the right. I'm not sure what these buildings are. Look how big the house is, but anyway, we're looking for another road up here called Crest Road. Oh yeah, they got the blaze on the little culvert there. Hey, why don't we just walk on the sidewalk over here? Yeah, I'm not sure what this place is. There's all these big, huge buildings everywhere. Anyway. I get to look it up when I get home. It's not too bad walking along here, though. And the wind picks up again, but this is Crest Road, and we're gonna turn left, head up that way right into the wind. And then just up here, there'll be another like little farm lane that heads up into the fields again. That'll take us into Palmdale. Yeah, I can see the Horseshoe Towers up there again too. All right, so now we head up this way towards Palmdale. We came that way along Crest Road. There were no markers here pointing out where to go, but it's pretty clear on the maps. So up we go. I know I keep pointing them out, but there's Horseshoe Towers. Yeah, another section that's not marked, but according to the map, we need to go straight instead of heading off that way. But it would be nice to have, a post or something, with the yellow blaze on it, but it's nothing new out here on the Horseshoe Trail. Some more flooding. Well, I take it back. Actually, there's a yellow blaze right there. Someone put, huh. All right. Yeah, but just up around the bend here is Palmdale. Yeah, so things are gonna get busy again as we head into town. I can see 422 up there, Route 422. It's just as busy as 322, if not busier. But we don't have to walk along that one, we just gotta cross it. I can already see the traffic. And it's the Horseshoe Country Club. That's the next spot that we'll park at. That's where we're gonna hike to. I think they have like a golf course, tennis courts there and stuff like that. But you can see where we're headed. Yeah, down that way is 422. I don't know if you can see the traffic on the camera there, but it's full of these. Here's this horse nettle. We did a video on this, of course. These are poisonous. Tons of them here. And it's kind of nice we're not walking into the wind at this moment either. It's a world of difference. Yeah, down there in the park it's flooded. I don't know how that's showing up. Might be a creek or something down there, but yeah, here we gotta walk right past a house up here. Another one of these slightly awkward situations. I think the trail goes past this house, wraps around, goes by this park. You could probably park right down there too. That'd be an option. But yeah. Yeah, here's another yellow blaze, so we're still headed in the right direction. Yeah, not sure why the map doesn't show that being as parking, but it's a public park and it goes right by the trail, so anyway. All right. Yep, there's a yellow blaze up there. On the tree right up there, so we're gonna walk right past this house. As always, it's slightly weird walking right past someone's house. There are cars parked there, but it looks, kind of looks more like a rental place. So anyway, but this is the trail, and we're being watched. Got the trail cam there. All right. Yeah, not as windy through here either. Kind of nice. All right, so potential problem here. That flooding I showed earlier is kind of blocking our way right here. I gotta get across this road. So yeah, maybe maybe up through these rocks here. Huh. That looks pretty deep through there. Yeah, I think I might be able to get around this way. Let's go for it. Maybe over here. Gotta hop across here. Now the wind picks up. Still gotta make it away over here yet. Let's see, that rock is wobbly. Over here. Over here. Oh, that'll work. We've made it. Yeah, just do some rock hopping across these. All right. And there's our yellow blaze on the post there. All right, so we're gonna head up to this street up here. And they have it marked nicely, the double blaze on the pole. This is Caracas Street. So we'll head this way. I think we're looking for McKinley Road or something like that, avenue. Let's take the sidewalk. Yeah, so here's Palmdale. Yeah, so a quiet little town. But I think the next crossroads up here, so we'll turn to the left with the cross Route 422 and try not to die doing it. Who knows, maybe they have a light up there though. Yep, McKinley Avenue. Got the double blazes on the pole there. It's always the one on the top. Tells you where to go. So we'll just take the sidewalk over here. Yeah, if you keep going that way, you'll end up in Palmyra. There comes that wind. Yeah, up here's 422. Yeah, we gotta make our way across. Yeah, I gotta wait a little while. Well, that took a little while, but we made it across. Just had to wait for an opening in the traffic. But anyway, so now we're on the north side of Palmdale. But we're gonna turn to the left up here, I believe, towards the Horseshoe Country Club. Get the name of the road though. Yeah, up ahead here we'll turn where that truck just came from. Still McKinley Avenue. This one's got the wind chimes blowing over there. Always like that noise. Nice quiet part of town up here though. Yeah, it's Dairy Road, East Dairy Road. So we're gonna take a left here to down to the country club. I think the Horseshoe Trail, the Horseshoe Trail does go down to the country club, but I think it goes up through that area up there too in the next section. So let's make our way down here. I think I can see the sign for it already. Yeah, I do see a double blaze on the pole up there, so I think it's where we go. Maybe, I think there might have been a change, but we're gonna head up that way. See if there's parking up there. All right, so you see some blaze marks up there on that tank. So this is where the trail kind of starts going through the golf course and stuff, but for parking, looks like there's a spot right down there. There's a police officer parked right down there. I guess I could park there, but maybe there's parking also further over where the country club parking actually is too. Yeah, just looking down towards the tennis courts are and stuff, there is a lot of parking here. So, anyway, I guess I'll either park here or back where that police officer is parked. But anyway, I'll figure that out later though. I mean, it's still working on my mind here, but yeah, so just curious if they have signs up here saying that you can only park here if you're like a member of the club or something. But anyway, maybe I'll just check it out just a little bit. But yeah, that'll be it for this section, because I gotta hike all the way back. As usual, I won't film a whole lot on the way back, maybe just a little bit here and there. Let you know my progress. But yeah, so our next section will start here at the Horseshoe Country Club. I don't think there's not a whole lot of road walking on the next section. It goes through a number of golf courses, maybe even like a cemetery. So, should be interesting. All right, but I'll get back with you in a bit. Yeah, so I didn't see any signs back there indicating that I couldn't park in the actual parking lot there. So, I think that's just what we'll do for the next section. I don't think I mentioned how long this section was. It's about 3.6 miles, this section. And it took me about an hour and a half. I started right around 11 o'clock, and it's now about 12:30, so that's about right. Usually an hour and a half is about 3 miles, but it's a lot of road walking, so road walking goes faster too, so anyway. All right, gotta make our way back through the heart of Palmdale, across the death road of 422. It's been an interesting section. We've had flooding, lots of wind, lots of traffic, so I don't know. I mean, we're not out in the woods really or anything, but it makes for an interesting hike though, to say the least. Now here we have that flooded section again. Looks like the water's down just a little bit, but I'm probably gonna, instead of going all the way up around, I think I might just cut right through the field. The trail is right up there, so I might just go up there. Take a little shortcut on the way back. Make our way across here again, carefully. Oh, a lot easier the second time around. Oh. Yeah, I can see the traffic from 322 down there. I'm pretty sure I can see the Church Way Parkway over there too. So, and then back to our hike along 322, which is surprisingly quiet at the moment. Proceed with caution. I'll hear from the cars. All right, so we just gotta make our way back along the edge, back to where we parked. Well, we made it back to the Jeep. I'm beat though. So that was about 7.2 miles altogether, and I didn't really take a break at all. You know, I like to take my little breaks when I hike these trails, but there's just really nowhere to it was either a road walk or just super exposed out there in the fields with all that wind. So yeah, did all that without taking any kind of break or eating any. I brought all kinds of snacks along, but I didn't eat anything. But anyway, we're back in the Jeep. There's no wind in here, but we made it. We had flooding, high winds, lots of traffic, but we did it. All right, folks, I'm gonna eat some of my snacks here and just relax a little bit before I head off. But today was an adventure though. As always, folks, thanks for coming along, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.